Meaning of Garda.
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 Garda. Garda can refer to several things depending on the context. In Italian, Garda is the name of a lake in northern Italy, located between Venice and Milan, known for its picturesque scenery and popular tourist attractions. In Ireland, Garda is the Irish word for policeman, specifically a member of the Garda Síochána, which is the national police force. Additionally, Garda can also be a surname in various countries. Overall, the term Garda can refer to a location, profession, or family name depending on the context.